We're now back in the Cairngorms National Park. Very lush countryside, but again the weather's very heavy, hot, overcast. We're just waiting for a downpour. Ooh. Oh, it's like a wee fairy castle, that house. Oh, it's cute. Oh, I think this is the twistiest, turniest road that we've been on so far. But at least it's tarmacked. I could imagine if you had a child that was car sick, this would be a nightmare.
I do.
I've outgrown my car sickness.
I thought you said childhood.
I've not outgrown my childhood. I'm still immature. Oh wow, look at that. Community forest in there. On the other side we've got Patrick Falls. We're now taking the A889 heading towards Dalwhinnie. Craggy Rock. Oh. Would that do us? Middle of nowhere. No bugger to annoy us. No buggers for us to annoy. Nah, I need a little. I think these are duck or geese. These are not going to fly. Oh, they did fly. Oh, well done. Well done, guys. Oh, so cute. Oh, it's like an alpine lodge up there. Very lovely, lovely views they must get. A nice wee horse and a rabbit. Oh, it's a hare. Now, love, didn't run it over. I think, was that a rabbit or a hare? Was it a young hare? Gosh, we're having it all the day. According to the sat-nav, we're on General Wade's Military Road, which is surprising because I always thought military roads were very straight. Oh, this is a bit of a straighter road. General Wade had obviously sobered up by this point. As predicted, the rain's come back on. Do you have your lights on, Mr. Mitchell?
Yes.
Good. Oh, here's a wee bus away out here. You can't be very busy.
Highland Tours.
Oh, was it the Highland Tour bus? That's Dalwhinnie Distillery that you can see, the white building there. The snow gates here. Yes, you're welcome, Mr. Volkswagen. No problemo. It's funny when you see these buildings with the big steep roofs, you know, for the snow. They're not sort of what you expect. Gosh, all those garden ornaments. This is us now trying to get back onto the A9, our favourite road. And we're on it. 1 minute it's sun splitting the trees, and then the next minute you're round the bend and it's raining again. Oh, my love's at an end. We're coming into Blair Atholl, where we hope to get breakfast in this nice wee cafe that we discovered the last time. That is the last working watermill in Scotland, I think. They do great porridge oats. The Atholl Arms Hotel, it's not there. Yeah.
The little park, I think, was on there like a hall.
Yeah.
Or a big car park further up.
I think we parked in there.
Is he there?
Further up maybe. I noticed that there's a church bazaar on, which is maybe... It's Hochin. I think down at the bottom there's a gate, I'm not sure. Just entering Pitlochry, having left Blair Atholl. We had a super lunch there and we actually watched the opening ceremony for the Scottish Parliament. Our nephew Alex was there. He was signing along to the choir that was singing. It was very emotional. It was so emotional to watch. It was so lovely. Paul will maybe put up a wee clip of that, but Alex did really, really well. So kudos to him. So, Edradour Distillery is up this way. Sure, I've seen that bottle in the cupboard a few times. They do a really good 10-year-old, says Mr. M. Mulan Hotel, oh how quaint. Guard of honour from the trees again. Obviously there's no snow just now, but the centre still looks quite busy. You can see the chair lifts are still operating.
It's Cairnwell on the left.
And on the left, the centre with you can hire equipment. Have a cup of tea, something to eat, toilets.
Sunday morning, had a great night's sleep again at the Braemar campsite. Now I'd booked this campsite a few months ago and the plan was that I'd book it on the Saturday and on the Sunday I would run the Lairig Ghru Race organised by D-side runners. But as you can see, that's not quite happening. A few months ago I was up in Inverness and did a ultra 25k which turned out to be over 27k. I'll leave a link up here somewhere. And after I finished that I thought there is no way I could do 42 plus k. So I came home, cancelled my registration so somebody else could have my spot and donated the entrance fee to the mountain rescue. But we kept the booking for the campsite, so here we are. So I thought I would go down and see all the runners, see the start of the race. And so the Lairig Ghru Race starts off in Braemar. I think the registration's at the village hall and the start of the race is beside the Memorial Games entrance to their field. Goes up past Mar Lodge, up the Lairig Ghru and finishes in Aviemore. And our original plan was to camp here tonight, meet around the race and Carol then to drive the van to Aviemore. So that's probably why she slept so soundly last night, knowing that she doesn't hate to drive the van to Aviemore. The training didn't quite go to plan, obviously, because we sold the house. I didn't expect to sell it as smoothly and quickly as we did, so that kind of threw a bit of a spanner in the works. So here's the Braemar Bowling Club, BBC, next to the Victoria Hall. It's a cracking old building. I'm not sure what it's used for. It's got a scout sign in the window. So here we go. Caution, race in progress. It's heading up towards the village hall. There's a few folk with their backpacks and their numbers on kicking about. So that's the Braemar Village Hall. That's where the registration takes place, 8 o'clock to 9:15. It's now 9:05. I think the race used to start there in previous years and then go down this road out towards Mar Lodge. But I think this year it's starting at the Balmoral Highland Games Park. So we'll go down in here a scan just to see if that's right. Oh yeah, it must start here because look, here's a timing mat. Start timing mat. Here's the Highland Games Pavilion. 100,000 welcomes to the Braemar gathering. So here's a Highland Game Park. And that wee shed you there, that's where the royals come and sit and watch games. They do a wee lap of the park in their fancy cars. So we've got half an hour to the race starts and the heavens have opened. But as like all weather in Scotland, you wait 5 minutes and I'm sure it'll change. So here's the timer boxes now, wired up, ready for the runners to start. And like we said, wait 5 minutes, cracking day again. Spoke too soon, rain's back on. Here they go. The runners are they've been told to assemble here for 9:45 for the briefing and the countdown, etc. So if it will these, we'll go to the other side of the start line and watch them run through. So here's all the runners getting ready to go. They'll get a briefing in a few minutes, but what we'll do is we'll go down to the turn-on table, because I think they'll go down here and do the left. It's them getting ready to go, and they've had their briefing.
Good luck! Well done! Have a good run! Well done, everyone!
So that's a race off. We're running over the Lairig Ghru to Aviemore. I hope I got it because this GoPro is just winding me up lately. Battery's sitting there at 40% and all of a sudden it just dies. So I took it on my camera, my phone, so hopefully it works out. Here we go, the Invergold campsite, or Braemar Caravan Park, or whatever you want to call it. There's the office and there's a wee shop in there. That's one of the toilet blocks, etc. There's an information and games room there. There's some fog pods up in the hill. It's a tenting bit there in the grass. Here's another toilet block. This was us last night. Pitch 31.
Leaving Braemar now. It is 11:30 in the morning. Another kind of overcast day. Paul has been up and on the go early to see the start of the race that he was meant to be participating in, but chickened out. So yeah, we've had a lovely stay here. Campsite was absolutely hoaching, but I had a great sleep, magic, and showers were good, so we had a good shower as well. So ready to go for the next step. There's Braemar Castle on the left. Lovely saltire flying from the top rampart. Back on the road. This road will take us to Ballater first off, and we might stop there and have a wee wander and a cup of tea. BRB.